Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into the TapTap Send app review. If you have been looking for a simple way to send money internationally, especially to Africa, Asia, or the Caribbean, TapTap Send might be on your radar. But is it actually worth using? Stick around because in just under 4 minutes, I'll break down the pros, cons, and everything you need to know before hitting that download button. What is TapTap Send? So first, what exactly is TapTap Send? It's a money transfer app that lets people send remittances directly from their phones to recipients in dozens of countries, including Nigeria, Ghana, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Haiti, Kenya, and more. It is designed to be fast, easy to use, and best of all, fee-free in many cases. Pros. Now let's talk about the advantages, because TapTap Send has quite a few. Number one, we have no fees. Unlike traditional remittance services or even some mobile apps, TapTap Send doesn't charge a fee for many transfers. That is a huge win for people sending money regularly. Number two, we have faster transfers. Money usually arrives within minutes, especially when sending to mobile wallets or local bank accounts. Recipients can access funds almost instantly. Easy to use app interface. The app is clean, intuitive, and simple even for first-time users. Just select your destination, enter an amount of money, and you are good to go. 4. Competitive exchange rates. While rates vary, TapTap Send often beats big-name services like Western Union or MoneyGram in terms of how much your recipient actually gets. Strong country coverage for Africa and Asia. It's especially powerful for countries underserved by major platforms like Cote d'Ivoire, Nepal, and DRC. If you have family there, TapTap Send might be your best bet. Cons. Now, no app is perfect. Here are some cons to consider. Number one, limited global reach. If you are looking to send money to Europe, South America, or the US, this app isn't probably for you. Its focus is very specific, which may be both a pro and a con. No cash pickup option. Unlike Western Union or Remitly, TapTap Send doesn't offer cash pickup locations. All transfers go to mobile wallets or bank accounts, which could be limiting for some recipients. Exchange rates still vary. Even though rates are usually good, they fluctuate. Always double check the rate before confirming your transfer, especially for larger amounts. No business transfers. TapTap Send is meant for personal use only. So if you are trying to send money for business purposes, you'll need another solution. Final verdict. Now, after all that we have mentioned before, you may ask yourself, is TapTap Send worth it? If you regularly send money to countries in Africa or Asia and you are tired of high fees and long wait times, TapTap Send is definitely worth a try. It's fast, often free, and super user-friendly. But if your recipient needs cash pickup or you are sending to regions outside their network, you might want to look elsewhere. And now tell me, have you tried TapTap Send? If you have tried it, tell me your experience down below in the comments. And if you find this review helpful, please give it a like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications to get all the new videos. And thank you for watching.